To set up custom keyboard theme on the Realme C71, all you simply have to do is first go for the settings. From here, you'll have to scroll all the way down and go for the system. From here, you have to go into the keyboard and input method, then manage keyboards, select your current keyboard, which is the Gboard, and from here you will have to go for the theme. And as you are here, you are able to find a lot of different themes, and here in My Themes you can find this plus icon. With this one you can actually make up your custom keyboard theme, so let's tap on this one, and from here you are able to select a picture from your gallery from your custom keyboard. I actually don't have any interesting pictures, let's select this one, and from here you can pinch to scale and drag around to move, so you can pretty much nicely customize this keyboard right here. And after that, after we are done with this right here, press next, and here you are now adjusting the brightness of the picture on your keyboard, and adjust it right here however you like, and press done. And now, as you can see, we have this keyboard now available, and we can additionally toggle the key borders, which I personally like to have disabled, also with these custom keyboards. And after that, simply press this apply button, and you can see that we have this keyboard now selected. This keyboard is now in use. So now let's go for some text box, and here you can see that this theme has been changed, and it is our custom theme right here.